Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Delilah. Nice to have you here. Not sure why I'm doing all this, but it felt right, so I'm gonna just go with it. Anyways, on a serious note, today we are going to be going through my everyday makeup routine. It literally takes me about 10 to 15 minutes max to achieve this makeup look. I'm not going to be using any foundation today, just strictly concealer. I'm using literally 10 products in total, which may seem like a lot to many of you, but once you see the video, you'll see that it's really not a lot of products. So if you want to see how to achieve this simple 10 to 15 minute makeup look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, I did not notice that I had my TV going on in the background and it was very loud, so you can hear it throughout the video. So I'm changing this into a voiceover video. I'm so sorry about that. But as you can see, I'm starting out with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just applying that to the center of my face. Now moving on to concealer, I'm using a Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just applying that on the areas of my face where I feel like I need coverage. I'm going to go ahead and buff that out with the e.l.f. Buffing Foundation Brush. As you can see, my complexion just looks so much better when I apply this concealer. I love it. It's so good. I could literally use it like a foundation, which I kinda am here. Moving on to setting powder, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just applying that with my Real Techniques setting brush. Now onto bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer in Caramel, and I'm just going to apply that on the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and my forehead area. I like to suck in my cheeks so I know where the hollows of my cheeks are. Now on to nose contour. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I always use this to contour my nose because I feel like it's the perfect shade. Now for my everyday makeup routine, I usually use a bronzer as an eyeshadow. I just feel like it gives that really natural look. I'm also applying that bronzer on my lower lash line as well. Now I'm just blending it all out with a tapered Luxie brush. Now I'm going in with an e.l.f. blush in the shade Always Rosy. It's like the perfect shade. I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks. Now onto inner corner highlight. You guys already know my favorite highlighter is the Amrezy and ABH collab. And I'm just going to apply that in my inner tear duct to really open up the eyes and wake me up. Now I'm going to set my face with the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Setting Spray. And I'm going to fan myself, of course. to mascara, I've really been loving this Trestique mascara. It has a built-in lash curler as well, which I haven't tried just yet, but I really love the formula of this mascara. It makes my lashes look so long and beautiful, and it really lasts all day, and it doesn't really flake. So I'm really liking it so far. Now on to brows. You guys know I always use my holy grail Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And it's really just my go-to. It's just so good. It's so reliable. And I truly feel like I don't need another brow pencil or brow product. It's really just the best. Now I'm just gonna speed on through this because this is probably the longest part of my makeup routine. I really don't want to bore you guys. I'm really sorry that this video is on the shorter side as well, but let me know if you guys like these voiceover kind of videos. I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the content that you like. So if you like voiceovers, then leave a comment down below. If you like talk through makeup tutorials, then we can do that as well. Now moving on to setting my brows with a brow gel. I'm gonna go in with the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. And this is my favorite brow gel at the moment. And that is the finished makeup look. Chef's kiss.